All right, it's Friday. I got the old parts wagon pulled over here, about to use the mini skid to load up the wrong drive motor. Deere called this morning, said the right drive motor came in, so got to go grab it. Got to stop and inquire on a giant pile of topsoil that I'm hoping we can start hauling into screen. Got to stop at Cat, get some oil for that, hopefully finish getting it serviced today. Got to stop at Green Hill, one of our local suppliers, and get a delivery set up for some concrete blocks for retaining wall we're starting this week. And then hopefully, biggest priority is get this thing back going and get it ready to go back in the dirt. So a lot going on today. None of it pays very well, but it'll all be worth it if we can get some of it done. Okay, I got the new drive motor. Those Rubber Track 135s are kick ass. A little Deere dozer ain't too bad, I guess, but those Rubber Track 135s would be sweet to have with the blade. I love it. Now, it ain't no Cat 312, obviously, but it's pretty cool. Huh?
You pull the filter out of the top of this.
No, that the filters are good because they filter the fuel. Hey, don't get gas in my energy.
Yeah, it'll spark you right up, bud.
It'll do something. No, see, those filters are cool because they filter things.
Not out here. We don't need it.
This is the cleanest environment. We want to keep it that way. I just got the oil changed on the D4. Went ahead and pulled the air filter out. This thing's been smoking, I noticed, in the dirt a little bit. Look at that. You gotta love that. Good thing I have a $9,000 new one from Caterpillar. I may knock this thing out a little bit and fill the dump truck up and sell some topsoil. Love to see it. That ought to clear the smoke up a little bit. We're rigged up and ready to go. Threw all my hand tools in the back of the dump truck. Guess who's back in action? I don't know for how long, but we're gonna give her hell. Don't worry about my chain job. You know, it's got these two. Still gotta finish painting some stuff, but you know, for the most part, we're gonna go give her hell. Got the old pintle hitch broke out again. Almost all the lights working on this side anyway. How's the back looking? Missing one there. That's okay, because that's brand new. Well, you win some, you lose some. I just ain't won one yet. How about this side? Not a damn thing. That's what I'm talking about. Well, we got, I'd say, over half. That don't work, nothing will. It's a good day to have a good day. Well, the blocks showed up early. Otter's getting them unloaded with the old 42. The wall's going around back there. Huh?
Got a snake in the bucket again.
Why'd you put him in there? He can't find his way out. I almost stepped on him.
It's a black mamba.
No, it's a cobra, I think, ain't it? I think it's a cobra rattler. Golly, he can't get out. Unreal. I'm gonna have to kill the 1,000 men. I'm gonna have to sell the bucket now and get a new one. He wants out. I want him out, but he can't figure it out. Oh well. Well, that machine looks good. Old red looks good. What do you think, Motter? What are we doing?
Taking a lunch break.
Yeah, laying track with no railroads. You want to talk about some sketchy stuff here? We about got her. See, they don't come from factory like this. A lot of fun. Well, we got a track for sale. I said for sale, not on sale. I know what I got. Hey, how are we gonna... Damn, we didn't think that one through. What are we gonna do?
Roll it up there.
Well, we got to take care of it for the next guy. You guys give me a call if you're interested. Lightly used. Ready for the next job. It's one of the manual ones. You gotta weigh it out first, but been good to us. Here comes old Modder pulling in with the track hoe, or I guess, you know, half a track hoe. Half a track hoe. It's a full track hoe, but half a track hoe. I don't know. Big day. We got us a big track hoe to float around today. So oversized loads only. We got the Escort coming. What do you think, Thor? Is the Escort going to be on time?
Yeah.
Well, we got her loaded. Thor got the tape out to make sure we weren't going to drag any lines down. Now we just got to get the oversized banner and flags out and see if the old haul truck can move it. All right, we got the pits cleaned out. That's what you call a full load. Heaviest load this trailer's ever seen. I don't know if she'll make it. We about got duals touching. We're gonna take her nice and easy. She's feeling it. What do you think?
You feel tired of screaming?
Yeah, we'll give her hell. Okay, we made it. We're at the back of the property down here where we've been piling brush and concrete and all that shit. We're gonna pull all the shell out right here. Strip the topsoil, pull the shell out for the house pad, doze all this shit in there, and then strip back over it. So all this shit's gonna go in there too. It would work out okay for the topsoil operation, except for there's a bunch of roofing nails and shit like that in here. So not gonna do us any good. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and try to dump it and try not to get covered. My shovel was a casualty on this one. What do you think, Thor? Another day. Another day, another shovel down. You ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh, the dog's down there.
Now he's over here.
Okay, cool. Here we go. I don't know if I'm heavy enough. All right, Thor's gonna pull us forward. This is the car wash pit sludge, and it's pretty sticky, and it's not going nowhere. So that's good. That's what we like to see. That is kind of trying to move a little bit. It's pretty thick. All right, we're getting this day started. We're loading up the mini skid right now to go knock out a few small jobs for the local water department. And then if we can get those done in time, we're gonna come back and take the dump truck, the 323, the 595, the D4, the semi, the dually, all to a house pad project to get started over there, stripping soil and running in some shell. So we'll see if we make it that far after we finish these first jobs.